all, first of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity, and it's my pleasure to introduce myself. Myself, Masud Raza. I belong from Makam district, Siwan. I study in Islamic High School, Computer College, Siwan. And now I am going to tell about Mission Indradhanush. Every year in India, 5 lakh children die to vaccine-preventable diseases. Virtually immunized and immunized children are most childhood diseases and are at much higher risk of dying as compared to fully immunized children. It is critical to identify the unvaccinated or partially vaccinated children and address this issue with focused micro-planning, provision of additional financial resources and systematic immunization. Try to reach these children with all available life-saving vaccines. Mission Indradhanush is a health mission to the government of India. It was launched by Union Health Minister J.P. Nanda on 25 December 2014 as a special drive to vaccinate all unvaccinated and partially vaccinated children and pregnant women by 2020 under the Universal Immunization Program. The Mission Indradhanush, depicting 7 colors of the rainbow, targets to immunize all children against 7 vaccine-preventable diseases. Seven vaccine-preventable diseases are diphtheria, whooping cough, tetanus, tuberculosis, polio, hepatitis, measles. In 2016, 4 new additional have been, namely rubella, Japanese encephalitis injections, polio vaccine, virulent, and the rotavirus. 2001 diseases will recover in the first phase. The 201 districts selected have nearly 50% of all unvaccinated children in the country. The mission follow planning and the administration like PPI, pulse polio immunization. Aim: the mission focus on intervention, improve full immunization coverage in India 65% in 2014 to at least 90% children in the next 5 years 2020. General objective: the objective of mission Indradhanush is to ensure high coverage of children and pregnant women with all available vaccines throughout the country, with emphasis on the identified 201 high focus districts. Specific objective: generating high demand of immunized service by addressing communication challenges, enhancing political, administrative, and financial commitment through advocacy with key stakeholders, ensuring that the partially immunized and unimmunized children are fully immunized as per national immunized schedule for basic elements. Ensure revision of microplants in all blocks and urban areas in each district to ensure ability of sufficient vaccinators and all vaccines during routine immunization season. Specific training of the health officials and frontline workers. Build the capacity of health officials and workers routine immunization activities for quality immunization services. Effective communication and local mobilization efforts. General awareness and demand for immunization services through needs-based communication steps and social mobilization activities to enhance participation of the community in the routine immunization program through mass media, interpersonal communication, IPC, school and youth networks and corporate. Establish accountability framework through courses. Enhance involvement and accountability ownership of the district administrative and secretary by establishing the district task forces for immunization in all districts of India.